Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you that how to run Android apps and games on your computer. So let's start. To run Android apps and games on your computer, you have to download a software. The name of the software is CoPlayer. So to download the software, firstly go to Google and then search for CoPlayer download. Then search for CoPlayer download. And now press the first link that is shown here, filehippo.com. Press this link and now press download latest version. Now click on download latest version. Now in few seconds the download will start. Now you can see that the download is starting. You can see that the download is started. Now it will take few minutes to download this software because the software is more than 300 MB, so it will take few minutes. So I will stop the video here and continue the video after the downloading. Now you can see that the downloading is completed. Now I will go to the location where it is saved. Now I will click on it. It will say us to get apps from store. We do not need any apps from store. So I will switch off the internet. When you will switch off the internet, it will not say about to get apps from store. If your internet is on, then it will say to get apps from store. So switch off the internet and continue installing. Select the language and then press OK. Now accept all the agreements and then press next. Now choose the location and then press next. Now click yes, and now the installing is started. Now it will take few seconds to install the software. You can see that the installing of the software is started. The software is installing. Just few seconds. So now you can see that the software is successfully installed on your computer. So now I will click on finish, and now the software will be open. Now I will click on continue to start. Now it will start loading the software on our computer. You can see that the software is loading. Uh, Now you can see that the loading is completed. Now the software is started. Now you can enjoy an Android version on your computer. I will switch on the Wi-Fi. Uh, Now I will show you that how can you run Android apps and games on your computer. I will open the Play Store and I will download a game. Which game I will download? I will download Militia. I will search for Militia and install this game. You can see that we are installing the game on computer using CoPlayer software. You can see that all the things are totally looking like an Android version. The downloading is same as Android version. You can see that it is very amazing. Uh, the game is downloading, and after downloading I will show you the gameplay on the computer. You will play Militia using your computer keyboard. The game is downloading from the Wi-Fi of computer. The game is downloaded. Now the game is installing on our device. Now I will open the game. You can see that all the things are same. I will accept the terms and conditions. Now I will show you the quick play. Waiting for players. I will click on ready. The game is starting in 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now the game is started. you can see that the game is started. Now you can control this game by using your keyboard. uh, by moving your mouse you can move the player. Now I will show you other options of this Android version. I will go to the settings. I will go to the settings. You can see that the settings are totally same as the real Android version. You can see that you can see the battery, you can see the storage, and you can also change the wallpaper. You can also change brightness. All the things are same as the real Android device. You can go to the display option. You can change the brightness. So these all things are very amazing. All the apps and games in this software will be installed by the network of your computer. The apps will download through the Wi-Fi of your computer, and you can also download Clash of Clans on this Android version. You can download any application on this Android version. All the things are very amazing. Before I end the video, I would like to say you that you must download Mini Militia on your Android phone because it is a very amazing game. It is my favorite game. It is a very famous game, but if you had not downloaded this game on your Android device, so the link is given in the description. Download this game and enjoy this game. This is the time to end the video. If you like my video, press the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Goodbye and see you later.